Hi guys, I'm Ashwin PK. I'm here to solve this 3 into 3 Rubik's Cube in beginner's method. Beginner's method is easy. There are some formulae you have to note down and some tricks, basic tricks. Now let's solve this Rubik's Cube. I'll take first white piece as the base and I'll try to solve. First our goal is to make this plus sign here, the right side, white piece side, we have to make plus sign first. Click the corner piece, search for middle piece, white middle piece, join here. Next, this middle piece is third middle piece here, join. We'll use some tricks to join this here. There is no any pattern formula for this. Side of it, this will be same. Blue piece will be already same. Let's check for them. Yes, is blue and orange. Blue and orange here already same. Let us make same. This green is here. We have to put this green piece here and this pink piece here. Sometimes it will come like this. Here and here same. Here and here different. Then we have to the method like this and then like this. So that method like this, like this. We have this method like this. We have to hold this cube inverted like this, and this piece should come here and this piece should come here. Then we have this method note down. Next again this plus here. Piece. Our duty is to make corner piece match, and we'll search for the corner piece first down because it is easy. Yes, the corner piece we are adding here should match these three sides. If I got this corner piece orange, green and white, let's search that place. Orange is here, green and white. You have to match this corner piece here, and for that we have to do the cube like this, front face like this, and then join this, take up. Yes, this piece is matched. And next piece, yes, it's here, blue and orange. Yes, blue and orange. We have to make this piece match here so that this part will be solved. For that again same, invert this face and join this. Yes, it's solved. Now one piece is remaining, I think. Yeah, one piece is remaining. Where is that? It's here. Sometimes piece will not be here. It will be someone upwards. It will not be in the middle, either down or upwards. So for that we have to bring that upper piece down so that we get that piece down to put it in the required place. Now all pieces are down. Yes, it is facing downwards. So we have to bring that upwards by doing like this. Now it came upwards. Turn this to this side and take this up. Now our piece came facing to our side. Next we have to put this to here. For that we can't use this formula. We have to use this formula, either like this and then join, or we have to use another formula, that is bring this just bring this to here like this and join here. And yeah, this our first upper side is solved, upper layer is solved. Good job. And next we have to go for second layer. Second layer, we have to search for a non-yellow piece in the inverted side. White face should be down and yellow face should be out up, and I would search for a piece which is non-yellow here. It is yellow, yellow. It is non-yellow. You have to face this blue to the blue side only, and this pink and blue piece should be faced here, so that this should be matched. If this wants to be placed here, then the formula is this side up like this and down, and then the white piece is misplaced from here. For that, to place that in the same position, you have to turn this cube in the direction of the white piece, and then like this, up, join, down. Yes, now it is matched. And next, non-yellow piece. Next, we can't find any non-yellow piece. Non-yellow piece is inverted here, but it is not in the correct position. So insert any yellow piece to here. Yes, I will insert this non-yellow piece and this yellow piece here, so that this non-yellow piece comes to the upper side. Yes, I'll do that. White position, down. Now the non-yellow piece came here. I got here and place this again here itself. But while we placing now, this place will be correctly matched. This should come here. If this piece wants to match, if we want this piece to here, then you have to take in this direction. Now this piece wants to be matched here, so I'll take in this direction. Like this white piece, like this, up, match, down. Yes, good guys. Now two layers are solved. It's easy. Now let us try for the third layer. Third layer, we'll get either dot here in the upper yellow piece, either dot or in a L shape or minus. I got now dot. Hold hold in any position. You can hold in any position and use this formula to make this yellow piece plus yellow face plus. Yes. Now use this formula and we have to like this and then again like this. Yes, now it came in L shape. We have to hold in L shape in this order only, not in other order, only in this order. So the L shape is inverted to this side, like this. And then you have to use that same formula, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Yes. Now it is minus. We should not hold like this. If it is minus, we can hold either like this or like this. It should be like minus. Neglect these pieces. Yes, you have to use same formula. Join. Yeah. Now plus. You can see this plus. Neglect this piece. I said. Yeah, you can see plus only. And next, our job is that this piece and this piece are equal in two sides, like that we have done in white piece, same manner. But we should not misplace white piece. So that is our intention. Yes, now any two piece will be automatically equal as blue piece and green piece. If blue this piece and opposite pieces are equal, then I have to hold the cube like this, so that this piece is not equal. This piece should be placed here, and this piece should be placed here, and use this formula, that is like this and like this, down, again like this, like this, and like this, down. Now we can find that two piece side piece will be matched, adjacent piece will be matched like this, match, match. Now this adjacent piece we have to match is the last step for matching this middle pieces. We have to use that same formula, that is one matched piece this side, another matched piece our opposite side, and use this formula, same formula again. Yes, now we have all piece middle piece like this matched here. And next we have to, yes, it is last job. We have to solve this corner piece. If we want to solve that, then that should be in the way. So if we flip like this, then it will be solved. It should be in that way. I'll say I'll say in a detail. Wait, and search for it. Take any one side. Yeah, any solid side. This is solved. This part, this much part is solved. So take like this, and you use this formula. Use this formula. I'll say like this. Just we are to zigzagging that white piece. That's all. So that why I have did like that. Mismatch. Again I'll do that. I'll say why I have did that and do again. Yeah. Now see, but this is not the final formula. We have another. This piece I have done like that because this piece in that manner. If we flip this, if we flip this piece, then it will be solved. See, if we flip this, then yellow will orange will come here, yellow will go up, and blue will come this side. In the same way, this will also, if we flip in this side, then it will be equal, then it will be matched. The piece should be in that manner. Sometimes four pieces will be also in that manner. Now, now it is not the case. These two pieces already matched. If this is the case, we are not solving this cube by flipping this. We have another formula. Invert this in our favorite side, white side. Invert this like this, and then bring the cube in the direction so that we should match this piece, and next this piece. Bring in this way so that this piece and this piece is matched, and use this formula. Note down. It is not matched again. No. Now yeah, it is matched. Now don't go to this side, but you turn this cube here like this so that another piece will come here. You have to match that unmatched piece. We have to match this one. This is our formula. No, it is not matched. Oh guys, it is fantastic. You solve this Rubik cube. It's simple, but you have some tricks and some formulae to solve this. If you did not understand, then repeatedly, if we watch this video and try slowly yourself, then you can understand how to solve this. Beginner's method is for beginners who learn to firstly try to solve this Rubik's cube. So it is easy, but you have to know you have to have some conscious, and you can solve this. First day it will be some difficult, and then if you try more and more, speed, we can solve this in 1 minute. This method. Yes. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share, and comment any your opinions, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys. Thank you.